Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. Today we brought you water test on Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 Pro. Let's start with testing the phone first. Let's check the back camera. Looks quite good. Front camera, it's all right. Let's swipe the touchscreen a bit. Touch is working fine. Seems all good. Touch is good. It's a brand new phone. It should be good. Let's start with the water test now. What we do, rather than soaking the whole phone in the water, we take the water from the cup and pour it directly onto the LCD itself. It reacts with the LCD. When you drop the water, the LCD moves. It is having some kind of a effect when you drop the water on it. Let's soak the whole phone in the water now and see if we can find any bubbles coming out, if the water is going inside. How does phone gonna react? It's still touching fine. Does not seem like the phone is affected too much, but it does react with water. Keeping it inside and trying to touch the screen is not working. But you can see that the screen is getting a bit static, like it's reacting to the water drops on it. Maybe touch is too sensitive, but it's working otherwise. Let's start the timer and keep the phone inside. The phone is not fully soaked in. So what we will do, we pour some more water in to see if it does anything. You can see there are some bubbles coming out. So surely some water is going inside within less than 1 minute. I think it's time to take out the phone and see if it is still working. Oh, the touch is affected now. We can't touch it. Surely some water has gone inside and touch has stopped working. Let's see what. I'll try to drop some water out and see if we are able to do something about it. We will wipe out the water from the screen and the phone and let's see if it touches. Still nothing. Still the same. Touch stopped working. Just simply not working. We wait and see if some water comes out and it will start working. Now you can see the water is coming out from near the charging port, drop by drop. Seems like quite a lot water went inside. Let's turn off the screen, lock the screen and turn it on back and see. Oh, touch is working now. Still water coming out, touch is working, not bad. We leave the phone, we turn it off and see what happens. It's off, it's not reacting. Let's long press the power key. Oh, the LCD just flashed. Went back. Surely the phone is got affected by the water. Considering Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 Pro does not claim to be a waterproof phone, it does say that it can handle some splashes. So considering that it did quite well in our water test. Hopefully you liked the video. If you have any comments, please let us know. Don't forget to subscribe and share. See you guys soon. Bye.